What's the meaning of cruse? Cruse. Cruse.
Cruse. Cruse. Cruse can refer to several different things depending on the context. It can be a surname, a type of sailing vessel, or a verb meaning to move slowly and carefully. In terms of its most common usage, cruse refers to a small container or flask typically used for liquids such as oil or wine. The term is often used in a biblical context, where it is mentioned several times in reference to the story of the widow who sustained Elijah during a time of famine. In general, the word suggests a sense of smallness or simplicity.